Welcome to Niche News Program. National News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls for test, track, treat strategy as COVID-19 cases surge again in states. The Prime Minister urged the states and the Union territories to work towards stopping the emerging second peak of infections immediately and stressed the need for quick steps. He said that it is very much important to track every infected person's contact in short time and keep the RT-PCR test rate in the country above 70%. He also asked the chief ministers to monitor the vaccine doses daily and take actions to prevent wastage of vaccines. India distributes COVID-19 vaccine in 71 countries. India distributed COVID vaccines in 71 countries as part of the COVAXIN project initiated by the two-thirds countries of the world to fight COVID-19. 5.86 crores doses of Made in India vaccine was distributed in other countries, and in 37 countries it was distributed free of cost. India also distributed 70 lakhs doses of Covishield vaccine to Pakistan. Child Helpline to be shifted to Ministry of Home Affairs to preserve data sensitivity. Union Minister Smriti Irani announced that the National Helpline for Children, known as Childline 1098, will be shifted from the administrative control of the Ministry of Women and Child Development to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The police personnel, instead of social workers, will answer the calls made to 1098. She was speaking after a meeting with 112 aspirational districts and 100 districts with highest rates of crime against women and children. Childline 1098 is an initiative for rescuing and assisting children in distress. Over to international news. Flights cancelled due to the worst sandstorm in China. China's capital, Beijing, experienced the worst sandstorm of the decade, leading to the cancellation of hundreds of flights. The skyscrapers of Beijing were not seen because of dust and sand. It also affected the traffic system of Beijing. Experts say that the expansion of cities and industries are causing major environmental problems in China. Atmanirbharta, Hindi word of 2020. Oxford names Atmanirbharta as Hindi word of 2020 after PM Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat push. The word was chosen by an advisory panel of language experts and has been named by Oxford Languages as its Hindi word of the year 2020. Google to let users add missing roads in maps with new tool. Google is adding a new road editing tool that will allow users to report road changes on Google Maps. Whenever a user notices a road missing in the map, they can simply click on the side menu button, choose Edit the Map and select Missing Road. By choosing this option, they can add roads by drawing lines, changing directions, and realigning and deleting wrong roads. They can also rename roads. Additionally, users can report road closures with date, reason, and alternate directions. To check accuracy of suggestions, Google said it will vet road updates before publishing them. The feature will roll out in the coming months in more than 80 countries. With this news, we come to the end of Niche News program. Mona Shah, Indian Sign Language faculty, is signing the news for you along with Ms. Sylvie Maximena, Niche faculty. See you again next week. Thank you.